Hello, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet a ball. To crochet a ball you need just a crochet hook, yarn, fiber fill and tapestry needle. So we will start our ball from the magic circle. I have a quick tutorial but I will show you here one more time. So you have cross from one side and two lines from the other side. So cross, take your hook, insert under the first line and grab the second piece of yarn like that. Turn your hook and put your finger under. Now chain one and you can start your first round. So round number one, make 6 single crochet inside the magic circle. So this is your first single crochet. Now second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, 5 and 6. And now you can close your magic circle, and that's your first round is done. Round number 2. In round number 2 we will make 2 single crochet into each stitch, so we will have 12 stitches altogether in round number 2. So as you can see, I will not chain one, I will not slip stitch. I'm going directly to start round number 2 with 2 single crochet into each stitch. So how I know I start round number 2, I'm gonna play stitch marker. I don't have stitch marker, so I will just use piece of yarn, but you can use stitch marker or piece of yarn, whatever you prefer, and continue. So 2 single crochet into each stitch. I will see you at the end of this round. Round number 3. So replace marker and make 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Continue all around. You should have 18 stitches altogether in round number 3. Replace marker and we start round number 4. Round number 4, 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Continue all around. You should have 24 stitches in round number 4 altogether. Round number 5. Replace marker, make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, then increase, which is 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Continue all around. You should have 30 stitches altogether in round number 5. Okay, let's make one more increase round. So make 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, then increase, which is 2 single crochet into the next stitch. You should have 36 stitches altogether in round number 6. We have finished the flat part of our work. Now we will start building its height. Of course, if you want a larger ball, continue with increasing rounds. This video is just a tutorial and I don't want it to be too long, so I will finish at 36 stitches. Okay, let's start. Round number 7. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch. And this is how we will work for next 6 rounds. We will just make 1 single crochet into each stitch for next 6 rounds. If you have completed 6 rounds with increases, you should now do 6 rounds with 1 single crochet into each stitch. If you have completed 7 rounds with increases, you should now do 7 rounds with 1 single crochet into each stitch. If you have completed 10 rounds with increases, you should now do 10 rounds with 1 single crochet into each stitch, and so on and so on. I will see you when I finish my 6 rounds. Okay, I have finished my 6 rounds. If you haven't done this yet, flip your ball. Now the left side is outside. We want right side to be outside. So the wrong left side is this one with tail outside. We want this tail to be inside. So we need to turn inside out like this. And now right side is outside. Let's start round number 14. And round number 14 we will start decreasing. Make one single crochet into the next 4 stitches, then make one decrease. Now what does it mean decrease? So insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop like this. Now insert your hook under the next stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have now 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And continue all around. So one more time, one single crochet into the next 4 stitches, 3, 4, and one decrease. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So continue all around. I will see you at the end of this round. Round number 15, make one single crochet into the next 3 stitches, make one decrease. So one single crochet into the next 3 stitches, one decrease. You should have 24 stitches altogether in round number 15. Round number 16, make one single crochet into the next 2 stitches, then make one decrease into the next stitch. You should have 18 stitches altogether in this round. Now it's the best time to stuff your ball. And let's start round number 17. Make one single crochet into the next stitch, make one decrease. Continue all around. You should have 12 stitches altogether in round number 17. Before start round 18, check if you need more stuff. If not, then let's start round number 18. And round number 18 is simple. Make 6 decreases. So I think we don't need any more stitch marker. Make 6 decreases. Once you made 6 decreases, cut your yarn and take tapestry needle. Now we will insert our needle under the front loops only. So this is the front loop, and now this is the back loop. We will ignore the back loop. We will insert the needle only under the front loop like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hide your tail inside the bow, and that's it. We have done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.